This video will demonstrate the application of a Headlight Armor reflector film on a Volkswagen Tiguan using our dark smoke material. Before you begin, you will need your Headlight Armor lighting kit, a can-do attitude, your hairdryer, microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Once your lens is clean, remove the material from the backing paper and align the material starting at the top to the front edge, the bottom edge, and then rub your finger back and forth in overlapping strokes. Follow up with the towel. If you have any edges hanging off, trim them flush with a razor knife, and you're done. These applications are available in 3 shades: 20% dark smoke, 30% smoke, and 50% light smoke. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.